Hi guys, today we will talk about how to copy link posts. Any post you want on your Reddit app. We will go to found this way or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. All you have to do, you're looking for any post you want to do that for this post. So we will just come here to this post. For example, we will click here on this mark here like you say, then it's going to show for us this window like this, and all you have to do, you just click here on copy link here, and like you see now it's copy your link, it's copied. So you go to call it this post or this link or any post you want, or any apps you want to share with your friend or anything else. So that's all you have to do to copy your link posts on your Reddit. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.